Welcome to this module on 21 CFR, Part 211, Subpart G, covering packaging and labeling controls. This section of GMP prevents mix-ups and misbranding, as even a correctly manufactured product can become unsafe if labeling controls fail. In this video, we will overview Subpart G requirements, review labeling material control, label issuance, and packaging operations. We will conclude with a summary of key compliance expectations and risks. Subpart G includes 6 core sections. Section 211.122 covers the examination and control of labeling materials. Section 211.125 addresses the strict control of label issuance. Section 211.130 focuses on packaging and labeling operations designed to prevent mix-ups. Subpart G also includes requirements for tamper-evident packaging, drug product inspection, and expiration dating. These sections ensure that packaging protects the patient, labels remain accurate, and expiration dates are scientifically justified. The goal of labeling control is simple: prevent mix-ups and misbranding. A labeling error can entirely change a product's identity. That is why FDA requires strict control over label issuance, use, and reconciliation. Labeling control follows a life cycle, beginning with receipt and examination. It continues through controlled issuance and packaging operations, and ends with inspection and expiration dating. Each step provides protection against errors reaching the patient. Labeling materials must be received and examined using written procedures. Materials are quarantined until approved by quality control. Only materials that meet specifications may be released for use. Rejected materials must be clearly identified and controlled. Gang printing labels for different products is generally prohibited due to the risk of mix-ups. If cut labeling is used, strong controls like line dedication or 100% label examination must be applied. The goal is to eliminate opportunities for human error. Label issuance must be tightly controlled. Labels are examined for accuracy and issued only according to written procedures. No label may leave storage unless it is verified against the correct batch and master production record. Reconciliation compares labels issued to labels used, damaged, or returned. Any unexplained discrepancy must be investigated. This mathematical check confirms that all labels are accounted for and no mix-up occurred. Unused labels with lot numbers must be destroyed and never returned to stock. Returned or obsolete labeling must be controlled to prevent reuse. These steps prevent outdated or incorrect labels from entering future operations. Packaging operations must be designed to prevent mix-ups through spatial separation of lines. All filled, unlabeled containers must be clearly identified with traceable information, including name, strength, quantity, and lot number. Before packaging begins, the line must be inspected to confirm all materials from previous operations are removed. This inspection occurs immediately before use and must be documented in the batch record. A clean line is a compliant line. OTC products must use tamper-evident packaging unless exempt. The package must show visible evidence if opened and include a label statement describing the feature. This protects consumers and builds trust. Packaged products must be inspected during and after packaging operations. A representative sample is visually examined to confirm correct labeling. All inspection results must be documented in batch records. Expiration dates must be supported by stability data, and labels must reflect appropriate storage conditions. If a product is reconstituted, expiration information must be provided for both states. Subpart G establishes multiple layers of control, from material examination and strict label issuance to physical separation and product inspection. These controls protect patients and ensure GMP compliance.